Hi guys, Mike from Motabitz here. Just finished installing a new KENWOOD system on this vehicle. We've installed a CMOS 230 rear camera just under the rear valance there with the number plate lights. We've also installed a DMX7722DABS. And just to show you guys some functionality, we're using a C2 fitting kit here with stalk interface, patch leads, etc. Really nice fitment on these vehicles. Same with the Golf Transporter, etc. Really nice fascia panel work. So this radio's got wired and wireless Android Auto, wired and wireless CarPlay, a 3-year guarantee backed by the Pro Install scheme. We've also got sort of full iPhone, iPod support if you wanted it. We've got DAB as well, so fully loaded unit. On reverse, we have reverse interruption, so we've got the rear camera with parking guidelines as well. You can access the camera at any time. We just go into the settings, camera there. So if you had multiple cameras connected to this radio, you could just view them at any given time. You know, you might choose to have a rear camera rather than parking mode, you know, maybe slightly different mounting options. Gives you the ability to see back around you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.